Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Well, Sunday night for me, and I'm in the middle of one wicked-ass storm here. So it's like we've had the power flicker on, and TV's gone out, and internet's gone out, and lightning flashing as we have right there. So hopefully I won't get zapped in the middle of recording this here for you. But kind of wanted to talk about and follow up what happened on Friday. Now that futures are trading on the petroleum markets, everything like that. So, market opened up this evening and gas futures went up 4% right off the get-go. So here it is. It's about 8:45 right now on Sunday night. And if I take a look at what futures are doing right now, and bear with me because I was over on the other topic I wanted to talk about, 1.79%. So still bouncing around. So we're going to see a little bit of a jump. I mean, again, y'all know how this goes. As soon as the bigwigs show up at the office tomorrow morning, they're like, okay, raise the prices everywhere, and here we go. So hopefully everybody filled up gas. But another commodity that we want to look at, you guys all know lumber keeps going up, everything of the sort. But silver, okay, and we've talked about silver quite a bit. And again, hedge against inflation. And like I told you the other day, you're starting to hear the major banks come out and say transitionary inflation and transitionary hyperinflation. Okay, now transitionary means it's going to be a relatively short period. Personally, I don't see it that way. All right, I mean, we have two choices, as one article had put out this afternoon on what happens to the economy. We either go through hyperinflation or depression, okay? And all of us are prepping for both, and hence the reason why time to get, start pushing hard into the silver market. But I got a kick out of it because silver right now, as I'm recording this, is trading at 27.44, so it's up a little bit. So, and definitely anybody who was buying down that 24.25 range when I was saying we're at support, you've already made back probably about half of the premium you've paid on it. So we're doing good there. Premiums, i.e. commissions, however you want to call it. There's an interesting article that came out this evening. I just want to read this to you here real quick. It's a real short paragraph and might sound familiar. Okay. It says, after the pullback, the bulls may increase their momentum and the resistance level at 27, okay, which we've already gone through, we're at 27.44, may be penetrated to expose the price to the $29 price level, which may increase to 36. How long have I been saying mid to high 30s on silver price this year? Okay. In the case the resistance level at 27 holds, which it isn't, okay, it's already broken through. Support level at 26, 23 is what would be next. So we've already gone through 27. So now the next number to look at is 29. If we blow through 29, feasibly the next stop is 36 on silver. So, again, if silver's going up, that's meaning that the market itself, okay, the banks are expecting inflation. So what we've been talking about, not only me, but, a lot of channels on inflationary pressure is, buying silver to offset it. Everything that we've all been talking about is coming to fruition. It's just nice to know that the ones that are paid, 6 and 7 figures to tell us all this are finally catching up 3 months later. But, hey, who cares? Some $1 million a year economist at Bank of America is catching up to something that everybody else told them already. Congratulations. You could watch all of our YouTube videos and, we told you what was going on, not the other way around like it's supposed to be. You're the one supposed to have all the numbers. We're the ones that just happen to go to the grocery stores and see it. Okay, so, we don't have our valet go buy us our groceries, whatever. I mean, do any story, ask any politician, actor, actress, any elite, as they call themselves, what the cost is of different items in the grocery store. They couldn't even begin to tell you. What's a gallon of milk? So that's it. But that being said, on inflationary pressures, and I mentioned the other day about chicken shortages, and most of you guys agreed with me, and some of you said that you didn't see it in your areas, which, hey, maybe it didn't hit your areas or whatever. I get it, okay? But I'll give you what I saw today, this afternoon, when Mrs. P and I went to the grocery store, okay? And this was about jaw-dropping. Chicken breasts, $3.09 a pound. Usually I can get them for $1.99. Okay, so what, 50% increase? A little better than that on chicken prices in the last 2 weeks since the last time I've been to the store. I'd say that's inflationary. Chicken thighs, $1.19 a pound. Now, seriously? Usually I can get chicken thighs for, 69 cents. Maybe if it's a bad week, 79 cents, okay? $1.19, that was kind of crazy. The pickings were also pretty slim on the chicken. I actually went through. There were 4 packs of chicken breasts. There were 6 packs of chicken thighs. There were 2 bags of leg quarters, so the leg and thigh still on the bone there. Okay, that was it for chicken. I looked at pork, and usually Mrs. P and I will buy pork loin, okay, because it's a better cut of meat, and it's usually pretty cheap. And we'll get the ones that are 10 pounds, the big ones, and we'll slice them up and, make pork chops out of them, or, make whatever stew we're doing, or, can them. Well, not always. That's first attempt at it, but doing that. They didn't have any pork loin, okay? There was 1 pack of pork ribs, okay, your baby back ribs. There were a couple of packs of St. Louis spare ribs. And I think there was 1 or 2 butt roasts. That was it. The pork was pretty thin on the pickings. I looked at the beef, pot roast, okay? Nothing fancy. A pot roast, okay, was $8.79 a pound. Needless to say, I just looked and either I lost a light bulb or something. Needless to say, the meat did not make it into our cart this week. And I had told Mrs. P, I'm like, it's a good thing that we've got, stuff in the freezer and everything that we've bought in the past, because I'm not paying that kind of money. I'll wait to see something go on sale, and then I'll fill in. Because, I made some room in the freezers, and I figured, okay, I'm going to go get some meat this week. There was nothing on sale. And so there's no meat that went. That's thunder. Just shook the house. Yeah, so there's no meat that went into the freezer today, because I'll wait till it goes on sale. But I'm betting a lot of you guys are going to see the same thing, because the prices on things were crazy. Turkey breast, not a whole turkey, a turkey breast was $15. Now around Thanksgiving, I can get a whole turkey for $15. Okay, I'm not paying for turkey breast $15. So this is what to pay attention to. Gas prices are jumping, not significantly yet, but we'll see tomorrow morning once the traders hit the floor. And we're not just doing electronic trading right now. We'll see what happens there. Silver price is going up, which I will still say here at $27.50, which means you're probably paying around $32.50. Well, here, let me look real quick. If I pull up where it is right now, and again, I've mentioned this site to you guys many times, comparesilverprices.com. Go look. Right now, 1 ounce rounds, and again, a lot of you guys have asked me, generic rounds, okay, I'm not worried about spending money for Silver Eagles or Maple Leafs or anything like that. I'm not looking at collectability, I'm looking at silver content. So the cheapest 1 ounce rounds I can get at 3/9 pure or better is what I'm going after. Right now, silver.com is saying $32.03 for Lady Liberty silver rounds, and they've got them in stock. They've got St. Gaudens silver rounds for $31.93. So that's with silver at $27.50 thereabouts. Okay, that's actually pretty good. You're paying what, $4.50 for premium. So premiums seem to be coming down a little bit, so that's good. But I'd still buy it for the simple reason, if you're buying at 32 and it gets to 36, guess what? That's $4 appreciation. That's about a 12% move, appreciation on your spending power. I won't say on the value of your dollar because your dollar is going down. I will say on your spending power, what you can get for it. So yes, I would still be buying silver here. Maybe you see a pullback, maybe you don't, but this is why I've talked about dollar cost averaging all the time, just like you do with how your 401k works. You buy some at 10, you buy some at 9, you buy some 11, you buy some at 8, all of a sudden, okay, you know what, my average price is $9.50. So same thing with doing silver here. Set yourself up on some sort of budget, just like your electric bill. Every month you pay $100 or whatever your electric bill is. Take it out and say, all right, you know what? Every paycheck, I'm going to buy 1 ounce of silver, or I'm going to buy 2 ounces of silver, or whatever it should be. And if you get it from a coin shop, if you're going to buy 1 ounce or something like that, try to find a coin shop you can get it, because the shipping will kill you on the other stuff. Okay, doing it online. But I mean, if you're buying, $200, once a month, then you're getting free shipping. Then you can buy it online, do whatever. So take a look that way, but set yourself up on something else. Just, automatically, okay, it's the first of the month, the mortgage is due, the electric bill's due, the phone bill's due, and my silver bill is due, and poof, I'm buying however much silver you buy. And just keep stacking it. You'll be amazed how fast that stack, all of a sudden you go, holy crap, I got, 100 ounces of silver here, and I've been doing this for, 4 months or whatever it would be. It's definitely worth doing. So it may not seem like it. I know a lot of you guys are saying I need to buy food first. Yes, I will agree. I've said it hundreds of times here. My personal plan was 1 year of food before I started buying any silver. I've got my 1 year of food. I still keep adding to it a little bit here and there. As we're rotating stuff out, I'll add other things like, hey, that's a good thing to get. But make sure you have at least a year's worth of food put back for however many people you're doing it before you start adding to the silver. So hope you all got your gas. If you didn't, stop on the way to work this morning and get it. But keep an eye on gas prices and let me know. I went out today and gas prices have not changed here in Tennessee, at least. I was still seeing $2.65 to $2.69 anywhere. And Mrs. P and I were out driving all over the place today. So it didn't seem like it was different on the main highways or in the backwoods, if you will. But keep an eye on your gas prices. I know a few of you guys have said in comments that prices have gone up overnight, 10 cents or whatever. A few places have said you're seeing a lot of out of gas. Share that information here with everybody, because what's happening with you is going to happen with somebody else. And if it gives somebody else a heads up, then that's good. That's what we're here for, to share information. So have a good Monday, guys. We will see you if anything comes out of excitement this afternoon, or we will then see you in the morning. Pinball out.